Thanks for checking out another daily review video. This is S Group daily review video number 109 from what I follow here. And I just want to get you guys up to speed as to what's been going on here with the S Group system. It's been down for the last like 2.5 days because they've been doing updates, major updates in the back office, back end. And so it came up yesterday around 5:15 p.m. Central, somewhere around there. So yeah, so we're back up. We're back in the back office. The 2 days that it was down, which was on Monday, and yeah, I guess it would have been just Monday for in terms of earning days. It was down, but we still made money on that day, which was 0.21%, as you see here, $38.79. And then yesterday, Tuesday, 0.31%, $57.35. So the money still came in here, guys. We didn't have any days where we missed income. So that was definitely a good thing. So going back to my investment here, as you see, I'm all the way up to $1,124.25 that I've earned in the last 25 days. This is, of course, a 30-day cycle, these two investments. Because I actually combine if you guys have been following my videos, normally what I was doing is every 2 weeks I was combining my two investments, and then that would shoot the earnings up to here. I was doing that every 2 weeks. Then I was taking like around $400 to $600, reinvesting it back in. So I'd always have my big giant one, and then my extra added on deposit, which is going to grow my principal, right? Because the whole idea is you want to grow this principal so you can move up the tier scale structure there. As you see, I'm close to 25,000. I will be by next week. What'll happen is, if you guys see the date on here, see it says balance transfer date. That's March 13th. So that is when all this money by default that I'm making for the monthly earnings that you see here, all that money is going to get thrown up to here, guys. And when it gets thrown up here, what that means is that I actually have access to the funds, so I can either do a withdrawal, or I can reinvest. I can withdraw the entire amount, or I can just reinvest a portion of the amount and withdraw the rest. I can do whatever I want to do. So if, for example, if let's say $1,600 was up here, say I was at $1,600 by the 13th, I can either take the whole 1,600 out and transfer it to my bank account, or I could take a portion of that, reinvest it back in, and withdraw the rest. Or I can take the whole amount and throw it back in here if I wanted to. But as time goes on, guys, I want to enjoy the money. So what I've been doing is I've been reinvesting about maybe, I don't know, about a third monthly, I would say. A third or a quarter, depending on how much we make monthly, reinvest it back in, and then take the rest out. So when this gets up here, I might take out I might take $400, reinvest it back in, and then just take out the rest. I think I might just keep that streak going. So that'll take me my base deposit. It'll grow to over 20. It'll be 24,000 or 24,200, depending on how much I put back in. So we'll have to see how that goes, guys. But ultimately, I want to get past the 25,000, so I start getting a bigger share. And as you see, guys, the combine feature has not yet been added back. Apparently, the owner of the company said he's going to add it back sometime before the 15th. So today, as you see, is March 8th. So that'll be sometime within the next week. So look at that, guys. Today's the 8th. And my investments, too, here, they expire on the 13th. So on Monday, I'm going to have all that money go up here, which is going to be pretty sweet. I can do whatever I want with it, pay some bills. You know what I mean? This is something that you guys got to think about. If you're looking into S Group, this is a great opportunity to make a second passive income for yourself. And also, just think of it this way. You keep growing your account. So that means as time goes on, the percentages that do come through for the trade, guys, you're just going to continue to make more money on, say, 0.31%. If you look like 6 months from now, I'll probably make like $70 or something like that off of 0.31%. Because my principal keeps growing. So, but anyways, guys, I just want to do this 5-minute daily review video to show you guys where I'm at. If you guys are interested in signing up an S Group underneath my team, there's a sign up link down below in the description of the video. You have to actually sign up underneath somebody to get in. So you can sign up underneath me. I'll show you everything. Shoot me an email. My email address is in the description down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So you can, my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can see all the updates in my account and S group. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.